Kroll Monitoring Review. App: the pros, the cons. If you're considering identity protection and monitoring services, Kroll Monitoring is a platform to explore. Most people get this wrong by assuming all monitoring apps are the same, but the surprising truth is Kroll focuses on real-time alerts, credit monitoring, and personal risk assessments. The pros: users appreciate instant notifications for suspicious activity, detailed credit reporting, and customizable monitoring settings. The app tracks social security activity, public records, and potential data breaches, giving users peace of mind. Customer support is responsive, helping users resolve issues quickly and efficiently. The cons: some report that full access requires a subscription, which can be pricey. Alerts may occasionally trigger false positives, and the depth of monitoring varies by plan level. In short, the pros are comprehensive alerts, real-time monitoring, and strong support, while the cons are subscription cost and occasional false alarms. The takeaway: Kroll Monitoring is ideal for anyone serious about protecting their identity, but budget and alert management should be considered. If this review helped, like and subscribe for more security app insights.